Hey guys, my brunch group was asked to do the showcasing for a movie premiere, yes, by Amazon Prime. So I'm just coming to show you guys a little clip of our movie premiere brunch that we did for Amazon Prime. This is going to be a good series, y'all. The Lady Jane, oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's going to be a good series. So I hope you guys enjoy this little clip. And we were super excited to be selected by Amazon Prime. Very nice setup, very beautiful restaurant. The service was not all of that, but the restaurant, the setup, and everything was very nice. And this was my first time going to a invited premiere like this, so I do have to say I actually enjoyed myself, and hopefully we did everything correctly and we'll be asked to go again. They did give us tiaras, and y'all will see us put our tiaras on, and we had to dress in corsets. It was corsets and tiaras, so that's why you will see some people in corsets or puffy shirts. Everybody's coming in, and we're about to get this party started. Waiting on our mimosos, and we're good to go.
Listen, I'm saving it, so when we are together again, I'll have a reason to get in trouble with your husband. See?
On the throne was his son, Edward. Oh dear. When he died, the kingdom expected the crown to go to his half-sisters, Mary or even Elizabeth, but instead came a total bloody shocker. Lady Jane Grey. Intellectual rebel, a bit of a pain in the arse, and a political pawn for her ambitious, noble family. Jane was married without her consent and crowned queen against her will. Then, just 9 days later, she was branded a traitor. And whack, off with her head. Jane could have been the leader England needed, but instead, history remembers her as the ultimate damsel in distress. Fuck that. What if history was different?
Never do anything you don't want to do.
I do want it though, Lady Jane.
My advice is if his number looks past you,
Don't shag him.
wise words, Susanna. I made the sound too rich.
As y'all can see, this restaurant did give us our own private room. We had our own waiters and waitresses in our own private room. It was really nice.
We can't have staying for a few weeks.
I do.
I can't. Jane will know.
The lady saving herself for marriage. I'm saving myself for myself, actually. In fact, I may never marry. Yes. Mock the person who's shoring your vagina. Oh, you live. Told you this.
Kind of low.
Nunnery Parish.
Yeah, that's not. I just said that I can't hear it now. I think the music
I'm
was
writing
loud.
the world's first complete compendium of England's medicinal herbs and their uses.
Herbs.
Herbs. Text and drawings for those who can't read. I intend to publish it and sell it. Perhaps they can make enough money to actually live independently. Where is the bloody calendula officinalis?
Jane,
Found it.
Duke Lester's come on.
Oh, because that's today. She told me to get flowers. Use it twice a day.
Jane, look. You stable boy? Love. Suit you in that garage.
That was
Yes, we'll take one more. Thank you.
Did you choose them?
and everything was paid for. Yes.
Shut up, Catherine. Shut up.
Shut Olivia. Smile. I'm lucky. When Jane's father died with no male heir, his great-uncle once removed, the Duke of Leicester, inherited everything, leaving the Grey Widow and daughters dependent on Leicester's charity for their very survival. Lovely.
massive crowds on the London Road hanging at Chepstow.
Oh no, what a bother.
I think we should burn them all.
Margaret.
Quite agree, Poppy.
Lady Jane Grey.
Your Highnesses, it's a pleasure.
Sweet bird. Jane and I were having some...
Blackberry pie. A favourite.
No, thank you.
Powerful brother. Inflicting such dreadful each time.